Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Randy in Nebraska on the Stryker SR-655. Randy, got you ready to go, bud? Let's just get right to it. You got all the mods, Toshiba voltage regulator, tuning alignment, all the audio power mods, final upgrades, etc. So we're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Sitting at 2 watts all the way down in case you decide to run a 6-pill, 4-pill or something. You got full adjustability. 20, 21 all the way up. Let me show you average power swing. Low 4950 bird, 250 watt slug and peak. Low 125 PEP. All right, Randy, it's been our pleasure, and we're ready to get it back to you. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got Truckerized.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.